A non-community water system is a place that provides drinking water to the public. A non-community system would have its own well and provide water to the distribution system, so it'd be one individual distribution system. So the responsibility is up to the system to provide safe drinking water to the public. But the Minnesota Department of Health does regulate by collecting water samples and inspecting the systems. There are approximately 6,000 non-community water systems throughout the state of Minnesota.
I'm Ed Aletto. I'm a sanitarian with the Non-Community Drinking Water Protection Unit out of the Bemidji District Office. We help the owners and operators with their distribution, their wells, and their treatment, among other things, to make sure that the water is safe for public use. You know, their public water supply is probably not on their mind every day, but it's on ours. So when they're down there at the dock working on things, we'll show up to do their water testing, and a lot of times they'll come with us. Sometimes they're too busy and they can't, but that's where our job comes into play. We can look at their system for them, make determinations on what might or might not be safe, and try to correct them as soon as we can.